A demo version is a good way to learn a software, especially for professionals who are interested in the wind turbine technology industry. So you see here where we are going to discuss WindFarm from Tissot. WindFarm is a wind farm design and optimization software that can be used to model a wind farm. So first of all, you come to this page which can be seen from resoft.co.uk. Hi there, and welcome to Catchment of Resources. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install and use WindFarm design software. This software is used for analysis, design, optimization, and visualization of wind farms. There are different steps to follow in order to download and install this software. First of all, you get the program itself, which in this table is WF5114. Subsequently, you can go ahead and download and install the tutorials, and finally the 3D data for visualization. That's a 3-step process in order to install this software, so one after the other. All of the instructions are available at this website as stated earlier. So once you have installed the program itself, we go ahead and open it up and see, because we are going to work on a quick energy yield calculation using this software. We're going to estimate how much energy a wind farm can generate with its particular layout and wind turbines already installed. So you can follow all of these instructions, you go through it and understand what is expected. So there are several examples through which you can go over in order to learn how to use this software initially. So first of all, we are going to open an existing project under the TURH folder, which once you are installing, it created all these folders, and turh.wfp is the file to be selected. So it's already gotten a terrain with topography information and other data. So we are going to follow the steps in this quick energy yield calculation in order to come up with the energy yield of this selected site for this project. So you can look at the user interface, the different tables, the different menu bars and the likes. So we go into the data. So you can view this user interface, graphical user interface, and understand the different panels and toolbars, which is what you can read off the side and understand what can be used at any point in time. So we are going to the edit and check for project data. You can see here different information. All of this is detailed on the help file to the right. So you can review different details if in case you just want to edit it. Otherwise, you're going to close this without selecting or editing any of the features already predefined. So now we're coming to the quick energy yield calculation. So we're going to follow the instructions on that quick energy yield calculation in order to understand how the software itself works. So first of all, you open a layout, open wind distribution, edit wind data, view wind data, activate location dialog, as well as then calculate energy yield. So you're opening a layout to use on this topography, so you can see the different wind turbines and an anemometer installed on the site. So they have been positioned on this topography and terrain for the project. So you read the open wind distribution, so that's what is next. Wind distribution, open distribution file. So you select the first one and open it up. You will not see anything but the wind file has been opened within this project. So we are going to edit the wind file. So under wind, we go to edit. Under wind distribution, we go to edit. See all of the data, the wind speed at different points in time and in location or space. So next, you need to view the data. So there are ways the data can be viewed in terms of graphical features of these winds. For example, the wind rows. So go to wind distribution again. You can select any of the options. That's the wind rows for this particular site. So you see majority of the wind speed is going toward the southwestern region. So next is to activate the location dialog, through which you'll be able to calculate energy yield. So you can see at the bottom of the dialog, calculate yield. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get the energy yield. So you have about 11 point something gigawatt hour. So that's the energy yield. So this has been a quick calculation of energy yield for a wind farm using predefined data. Thank you for watching this video. This is Calculator Resources, where we create for better living. In the next video, we are going to look at energy yield proper, not a quick calculation.